Yes. Perfect. Turn this into this. Some dead cow meat. Use your weapon. That one. Karen, do your thing. Good girl. Finish him. Heat check. Throw him down. Cook for 5 minutes. Some black pepper. Some more white stuff. Tortillas. Nice. Snap. Flip them over. Take a free sample. Get them on the side. Make sure you guys tuck them in. Turn Big Karen back on. Butterfly. Reinforcements. My animal's at. There you are. Put it on popcorn. 1 minute. Nice. Make it corny. 1 part milk, 1 part sour stuff. Perfect. Some cream in the middle. Share the love. Seal them up. Next side. Crispalize them. Scrape them out. Say hello to my little friend. Some lettuce. Close them up. Some corn, some red stuff. Some sour cream. Some green healthy thing. Taste test, boys. So